Vira homem, porra.
Everyone, and I know it's been like, what, a month? Or a couple of days ago since we got the comment, aka the last ptfs update. But today, it's May 22nd, and you know what that means. The long-awaited update everybody's been waiting for. Yes, ptfs got a new update, as you've probably seen. As you can see, on the northeast, southwest thing, we actually have numbers on top. And also, the map buttons also were changed. But that is not what we're most important. That's not what we're here for. We're here for the two new exciting things. On May 19th, I made a YouTube short of the final old 767 model flight. Because we got the new 76 model. Oh, the aircraft spawn menu was also changed. It looks like the spawn background is now in St. Bartholomew. Cool. So here we are, the brand new 767 model. And here's all the airlines. If you remember all the old airlines, yeah, we actually got all the new airlines. We actually got way more airlines than on the old model. We have Aer Lingus, Aeroflot, Air Canada, Air France, American, Delta, British Airways, Condor, Iberia, KLM, Polish Airlines, Lufthansa, TUI, Qantas, Air New Zealand, United Scandinavian, or SAS, and just a plain white livery. Now, of course, we also have to go check out the new cargo variant, which is just a new model. I don't think any new airlines were added for the cargo. And if we go to tankers, we no longer have the KC-767. We have the KC-46, which is the tanker variant of the 767. So we'll be flying all three. And the 767 is actually the second plane to have the Air Canada toothpaste livery. Number one, of course, being the E190. I don't know what model of the 767 this is, but yeah, it's not. But I know it's definitely a new model. I wonder what took so long for Air Canada to be added to 767. But hey, I ain't complaining. I'm just happy we finally got Air Canada for the 767, so then we could do sorta accurate recreations of Air Canada 143. But I think the most greatest thing everybody's been waiting for was this. That's right, everybody. ptfs finally has animated gears. Everybody's been waiting for it, and we finally got it. I think back in 2023 or 2024, the YouTuber West said they probably won't add it. They won't add animated landing gears, but here we are in the future, and we actually do have animated gears now. There's also a new little, yellow thing that shows the extending and retracting. There goes the A380. Before we end this review, I just want to double check how the gear retracting looks like on a couple other planes, not just the 767. But of course, since this update's all about the 767, what better plane to fly than the new 767? Like, I think it's like the 767, either the 767-300 ER or the 767-400. Don't know which model this 767 is, but feel free to let me know in the comments. Unfortunately, we do not have any animated flaps yet, but hey, who knows? Maybe that'll be the next update. Wait, did Orangi get an update? It looks different. Oh my god. Orangi got an update. What the? Oh, never mind. It was just taking a while for Tokyo to load. That would have been crazy if Orangi did get an update. But maybe Orangi did get an update and I'm just oh my god. Orangi just looked different to me. Because I didn't see the floating gray piece for Tokyo. But no. Turning the slower speed and drop down the gears for land. I'll try to land. Doesn't help that fog keeps flipping spawning. Use reverse thrust. I like using reverse thrust. Helps me slow down during landing. I can't tell if Orangi did get an update. Or not. Oh. Can reverse thrust back on? Off. Oof. Almost caused a disaster there. Come on. Descend! So I can see the dang runway. Oh my god. This fog is annoying. Doesn't help that I can't see the airport anymore. Because I guess the distance of how you would see the runway for airports was also changed. I don't know. We'll take a look at the update log. Nice. Reverse thrust. And let's turn off the runway. Nice. Not a better landing, but a nice smooth landing for the new 767. Yeah, I just think the FOV of how to see how far the airport was different. Let's take a look at the change log. So, add the animated gear to all aircraft, which everybody was probably excited for. Updated indicators on all aircraft spawners for drag and boom. Refilling capabilities. Update 767. Updated 767F. Updated KC 46, updated minimap, updated compass, and fixed run tool not working after exiting aircraft spawners. It's crazy that the last update was like a month ago, and time travel to present day, we already got the next update. So, yeah, I'm excited to see what PTF has for the next update after this, but of course, we all have to be patient for the next update. So, yeah, but nothing saying about the FOV of seeing the airports are different. Yeah. Tokyo did not get an update. I was just going crazy. But it looks like Emirates is really popular today. We already seen the Emirates A380. Now we're seeing the Emirates A350. And another Emirates A380, unless if that was the same A380 from earlier. But yeah. Now, before we end this review, I just want to see gear retracting on different aircraft. Don't worry, I'll make a full video of all the planes gear retracting. But I just want to see how it looks like on the 737 and big jumbo jets like the 747 or the A380. I don't care about no pushback. Okay, maybe I do. I don't care about no pushback. I care about immediately taking off. Come on. PTFS, I think I could safely say it's slowly becoming more realistic because, well, the animated gears, of course. Yeah. This is definitely way better than, like, the old, just immediate retraction with no animation. But yeah, since it's a black underbelly here on Air Canada, you can't really see the landing gear very good, but does look nice. Alright, time to recreate the iconic 737 MAX crash. And boom. Okay. Oh. Okay. Before we end, let's quickly check how the gear retraction looks like on the 747. Give us a beautiful queen of the skies. And because Air Canada was the airline for this video, airline of the day for this video, why not fly an Air Canada 747? I think this is either Air Canada 747-300 or maybe an SP 747 Special Performance. I still don't know what the Air Canada variant is, but I know for a fact the American Airlines 747 in this game is like definitely for a fact a 747 SP. Yeah. Nice smooth takeoff over the ocean right there. Alright, let's see the smooth gear animation. Yep. just like a realistic 747 gear retracting. Although in real life, the gear underneath the wing would not collide into the gear underneath the fuel tank. But yeah, that was the new PTFS update. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guess what, guys? I think only like 600 more subscribers, and then the channel is at 3,000 subs. I just want to say thank you for all the support on the channel. Ever since I started back in 2024, I never thought that I would ever get to 2,940 subs. I just want to say thank you. You guys, as my viewers, I love you guys. And I love all the support you've been giving me throughout since when I started my channel from 2024 and throughout 2025 and 2026. So I hope the rest of 2026 for the channel will do good. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you all in the next video. But before we go, here's a cool little detail. If you look inside the plane, you can actually see the landing gear now. Originally, you wouldn't be able to see the landing gear, so that's a cool feature.